Hello and welcome in today's class. Today we will continue with the chapter revenue. We will do the part 2. The second situation when price of the product is variable or price is not constant. This is a situation of markets, either monopoly or monopolistic competition. Monopoly is that form of market where there is only one seller, single seller. So there's one seller, he can change the price according to the product, according to the sale, because he is having a full control over the supply of the product. Same way in a monopolistic competition, the sellers are either big or small, but they have a partial control over the price. Like you can say market of toothpaste. Different brands have a different control over the price, but they can change the price according to the output sold. But both the firms, either monopoly or monopolistic, they have to reduce their price if they want to increase the sale of their product. So that is why price is variable or not constant. Price is variable because if a firm want to sell more, it can do only by reducing the price of its product. If price falls, average revenue also falls as the output increases. If average revenue falls, addition in the revenue, that is known as marginal revenue, also falls, because when price is falling, the additional unit sold will be less than the first price, so MR is also falling. But one thing you have to remember, during fall, MR being a leader, it always falls at a greater rate or greater speed than average revenue. Average revenue falls, marginal revenue falls, but the rate of fall of marginal revenue is more than the average revenue. Marginal revenue falls as it declines, but it remains positive. Total revenue increases at a decreasing or diminishing rate. Addition is there, but that addition is falling at every step. Due to this, TR increases at decreasing rate. When MR becomes 0 during that fall or touch the x-axis, total revenue become constant and maximum. During that fall, when MR is negative, TR falls with increase in output. As you can see in this schedule, when price declines with the increase in output, output increases from 1 to 7. Output में increase कितना है? From 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Price per unit is, first is 10, second unit for 9, third is 8, then fourth unit sold was at 7, then 6, then 5, then 4. As the sale increases, firm is reducing the price. Like if you go to a wholesaler or best price, you can see this. The more the number of units you buy, you have to pay a less price. Same way, when you calculate the TR, formula is price into output sold. 1 into 10 is 10, 3 into 8 is 24, 5 into 6 is 30, 7 into 4 is 28. When you find average revenue, that total revenue divided by the output sold. 10 divided by 1 is 10, 24 divided by 3 is 8, 30 divided by 5 is 6. So price and average revenue are here also same. Now you will calculate total revenue. Marginal revenue. The formula is total revenue nth minus total revenue n minus 1. First is 10, so last n is missing, there is nothing, so we will consider n minus 0 is equal to 10. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. Same way 30 minus 28 is 2. 30 minus 30 is 0. 28 minus 30 is minus 2. So average revenue is also, marginal revenue is also falling. But average revenue falls but remains positive. Average revenue falls but remains positive. Marginal revenue falls, becomes 0, ultimately becomes negative. So fall in average revenue is 1, 1, 1, 1. But in marginal revenue, it is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So the fall in marginal revenue is always double than the fall in average revenue. So that fall is there. But marginal revenue always remain less than average revenue. Now we will discuss this in a diagram. Now as you can see in a diagram, average revenue is also falling. Start with the first unit. Marginal revenue is also falling. Fall in marginal revenue first is positive, then becomes 0, ultimately becomes negative. Average revenue falls but it never becomes 0, so it never touches x-axis. Same way, first unit TR revenue is equal to 10 or it is positive. But we start this total revenue from the origin because when nothing is produced, total revenue is equal to 0. With the positive fall in marginal revenue, TR revenue curve is a concave and upward sloping curve. It is increasing at diminishing rate till OM level of output, and it is constant and maximum at N point. It is at that level of output where marginal revenue is equal to 0. Then marginal revenue becomes 0, total revenue is maximum and constant. When marginal revenue becomes negative, total revenue starts falling. Average revenue, because total revenue is never 0 or negative, same way total average revenue is never 0. Average falls as output increases. AR curve is a downward sloping. MR curve is also downward sloping, but MR is less than AR. MR falls positively. TR curve upward sloping, concave, but increases at diminishing rate. At OM level of output, this is OM level of output. This level of output, MR is maximum. But after this level of output, MR is negative and TR falls. TR start falling because jehda addition hai TR de vich, that is becoming negative. MR, the fall in MR rate is always twice, the fall in MR rate is twice than the fall in AR rate. Because average revenue is 1. You have seen in a schedule, it falls by 1 where MR falls by 2 units. So when MR is less, it is less than AR. MR is 0, AR is still falling, it never becomes negative or 0. So this is all about this chapter. When price is not constant, when price is not constant, it happens under two forms of market. One is monopoly and monopolistic competition. Because monopoly, a single seller can fix the price according to his wish. But if a monopolist wants to sell more, he has to lower down the price. Same way under monopolistic competition, when firms are having close substitute of each other. Like I told you about toothpaste market, all the toothpastes are close substitutes of each other. In that case, if a firm want to sell more, like Colgate or Pepsodent or any other toothpaste, they want to sell more, they have to lower down the price. With that, they can sell more. And if they want to sell more, the price will fall, the average revenue will fall, the marginal revenue will also fall. But due to the marginal revenue, TR increases at diminishing rate, then TR becomes constant, and then TR